Model for weather. Let's start lesson first. Seasons. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and say. Autumn, kuz. Winter, қыс. Summer, жаз. Spring, көктем. Swim, жүзу. Play, ойнау. Plant trees, ағаш егу. Park, саябақ. Snow, қар. Seasons. Exercise number 2. Listen and match. Then sing. In spring, I plant trees with my friend Liz. In summer, I swim with my friend Tim. Autumn, summer, winter, spring. Let's play and sing.